Hey everyone, today I'm revealing 10 powerful Android apps that let you test cybersecurity. No coding needed. These tools help you scan networks, spot vulnerabilities, and simulate attacks, all with simple, beginner-friendly interfaces. You'll learn how to check public Wi-Fi risks and secure your own devices in minutes. Remember, only use these tools on networks and devices you own or have permission to test. Ready to boost your cybersecurity skills? Let's jump in. zANTI is a popular Android app that turns your phone into a network analyzer and penetration testing toolkit. With its intuitive dashboard, you can scan your local Wi-Fi network and instantly map out all connected devices. zANTI lets you simulate attack scenarios like man-in-the-middle attacks, session hijacking, and password sniffing on authorized networks. The app includes step-by-step guides, definitions, and tips, so you can follow instructions directly on your phone. You can export your findings as reports to track your progress or share results. zANTI is a practical tool for beginners to safely experiment with network vulnerabilities. No coding required. Hackode is a no-code Android app focused on reconnaissance, the first step in ethical hacking. The app organizes tools into categories like reconnaissance, scanning, and security feeds, making it easy to use. Navigation is simple. Everything is clearly labeled and accessible. Key features include DNS and voice lookups to quickly gather website or domain information. With a few taps, you can find IP addresses, registration details, and hosting providers. Hackode also offers a Google hacking module for advanced search techniques. Each function is explained in-app, so you can learn as you use it. Hackode is a practical, beginner-friendly tool for learning reconnaissance and open-source intelligence on Android. zANTI is a penetration testing app for Android that's easy to use. Its menu-driven interface lets you quickly access tools like host discovery and vulnerability scanning. Tap to scan your network and see all connected devices, their IPs, manufacturers, and open ports. Run vulnerability scans to check for outdated software or weak passwords. Results are shown in simple language, so you know exactly what's at risk. You can also simulate attacks like traffic redirection or password sniffing from the app. Everything is visualized step by step, no coding or command line needed. If you want practical penetration testing on Android, zANTI is a must-try. DroidSheep is an Android app that scans public Wi-Fi networks for unprotected HTTP sessions. Once you connect to a public Wi-Fi, just tap Start in DroidSheep. The app scans the network and lists any session cookies it finds that aren't encrypted. You'll see a list of unencrypted sessions, making it clear which connections are vulnerable. The interface is simple and easy to use. Just tap and watch as the app detects sessions on the network. DroidSheep also gives you tips for safer browsing. Use it to understand the risks of open Wi-Fi and protect your sessions. The Kali NetHunter store is a dedicated marketplace for penetration testing tools on Android. You can quickly find and install network scanners, forensics utilities, Wi-Fi testing, password cracking, and encryption apps. Each app includes a description, usage guidelines, and links to documentation. You can filter apps by category to match your needs. Most tools are open source and highly rated by the community. The store keeps your apps updated automatically for better security. For beginners, it's the easiest way to access safe, reliable hacking tools on Android. Fing gives you a quick scan of your Wi-Fi network and instantly lists every connected device, phones, laptops, smart TVs, and more. Each device is shown with its type, manufacturer, and MAC address. You can check for unknown devices, see which ports are open, and run network speed or ping tests. Fing alerts you if a new device joins your network, helping you spot intruders fast. The interface is simple, so anyone can use it to monitor their home Wi-Fi. No tech skills needed. Wi-Fi WPA Tester lets you quickly check your Wi-Fi router's security, focusing on WPS and WPA encryption. The app guides you to connect to your router and run vulnerability checks. You can test your router using PIN-based authentication. The app tries default and common PINs to see if your router is vulnerable to brute force attacks. If the app gets access, you should update your router's settings immediately. The app shows you which vulnerabilities it found and gives clear steps to fix them. Follow the app's instructions to improve your Wi-Fi security right away. AndroRat is a remote administration tool that lets you simulate remote access to your Android device. You can try out features like remote file browsing, camera access, and SMS reading, all from a simple menu interface. The app logs every action, so you can review each step taken. Only use AndroRat on devices you own or have permission to test. It's a hands-on way to understand remote management risks and improve your device security. Packet Capture is an Android app that captures and analyzes data packets on your device in real time. The interface is simple, with clear labels and built-in filters. Start a capture to see a live list of all packets sent and received by your device. Filter traffic by protocol, such as HTTP or SSL, to focus on specific data. View SSL certificates used in your connections directly in the app. Save and review session logs for later analysis. Tooltips explain key terms, making it easy for beginners to use. Last but not least, let's check out NetHunter Terminal. If you've ever wanted to learn how hackers and security pros use the command line, but felt intimidated by coding, this app is for you. NetHunter Terminal brings a full-featured terminal emulator to your Android device, pre-configured for security testing. You can access a variety of built-in tools with simple commands, but you don't need to write scripts or programs. The app includes clear documentation and beginner guides to help you get started. Commands are preset for common tasks, like network scanning or checking device info. NetHunter Terminal is all about demystifying the command line. You can experiment with different tools, see the results instantly, and learn what each command does. The interface is clean and responsive, so you're not overwhelmed by options. For those who want to go deeper, the app supports copy-paste, so you can follow along with online tutorials or guides. You're not just memorizing commands, you're building real skills that will come in handy as you advance in cybersecurity. NetHunter Terminal is a great stepping stone from app-based testing to more advanced, command-line-driven security work, all without requiring you to code from scratch. That's my roundup of 10 secret, beginner-friendly Android hacking tools that don't require any coding experience. As you've seen, these apps aren't just for learning offensive techniques. They're about building a deeper understanding of how to defend your own devices and networks. Knowing what's possible is the first step to staying one step ahead. With tools like network scanners and vulnerability checkers, you can spot suspicious activity before it becomes a problem. Early detection is key to protecting your data, whether you're at home or out in public. These apps also help you develop good digital habits, like using strong encryption, updating your software, and keeping an eye on what's connected to your network. Remember, ethical testing is all about responsibility and respect. Only use these tools on devices and networks you own or have explicit permission to test. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep learning. Because the best way to protect your digital life is to understand it from every angle. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.